Friend. So we have been talking about prompt frameworks quite a bit in some of the text so far. And what I wanted to do is give more of a visual explanation of this and what I look at as good prompt, bad prompt, and why a lot of people will do what I call prompt and ghost from ChatGPT, which is try a prompt and when it doesn't work or don't get desired result, they leave. So let's break down why it's really key to be incredibly instructive to ChatGPT, to be specific, to bake in context and use constraints and how we can do that. So the minimal prompt framework goes like this. So what you do in your first sentence is tell ChatGPT specifically what you want them to act as. So the person, the role, object, the character, whatever you want to do, just let them know specifically the role they're going to play. Then you will tell ChatGPT, what are you going to do? So you will help, you might develop, you might create something, you might build a report or analyze data for a specific audience. And this is really key because what this allows you to do is set the context that you're working in. So your industry, your audience, and the specific task. And then the final component is, what is your first kind of suggestion, your request, your recommendation? What are you going to do exactly? So, with all the information you've given ChatGPT, what is the thing you want it to do, and what part of that task you've already set it you want to focus on? You might give lots of input, lots of context, lots of specificity even on the situation, but you might only want ChatGPT to do a couple of things in the wider project. And this is what I call an example of a good prompt. And as I say, the bad prompts are the ones where they're one sentence, they're a couple of sentences that might go something like, tell me about this or show me that. What we need to do is actually help to teach Chat GPT how to surface all of the data that it's got and navigate this and bring it back into a nice, tidy package for us. So, the main takeaways there: work with the minimal prompt framework. Don't feel constrained by it. Continue to tweak it for your own needs. I hope that's been helpful, and I will speak to you in the next one.